Use of English. Cartoons. We saw how English is used in ads. Tickets. Receipts. Bills. Price tags. And wrappers. There is one kind of use of English that all of you love, and there are many in all your English textbooks.
Stories.
That's right. Can you tell me the stories you have read in this class so far?
The Little Red Hen.
True Friends.
The Barbel Tree.
Alyonushka.
Very good, children. Now, do they all tell the story in the same way?
Teacher, the Little Red Hen, the Barbel Tree, and Alyonushka tell the story the same way. But true friends use a different way of telling the story.
Yes, in True Friends there are many pictures.
And there are little circles pointing to people. Each circle has words spoken by that person.
Excellent. This kind of telling a story is called a comic strip. And the little circles with words written in them are called speech bubbles.
Teacher, for some circles, there is a line of small circles pointing to a person. What does that mean?
That's called a thought bubble. It means that the person is thinking, not saying those words. Open your book to page 50. Look at this. Doesn't it look like a comic strip?
Teacher, it looks like a comic strip, but it says a cartoon strip.
Yes, a cartoon strip is also a kind of comic strip. But in a cartoon strip, the writer uses the same characters to tell little jokes rather than stories. Comic strips and cartoon strips go screen by screen like a movie. Can you tell me what is happening in this cartoon strip called Little Eva?
Eva takes her dog Puddy out. She shows a ball to her dog.
Eva throws the ball and asks him to bring it back. She says, "Now go get it, Puddy."
Puddy doesn't go. So Eva scolds him. She says, "How can you be so dumb?"
Then she says, "Now watch me," and runs towards the ball herself.
She comes back with the ball in her mouth.
She tells Puddy, "See how easy it is? Now you try it."
Puddy is so clever. He throws the ball and waits for Eva to fetch it.
Look at Eva's face. She is surprised and angry at once.
That was really fun, wasn't it? See if you can find other cartoon strips in newspapers or magazines. Bring them to class to show your friends. You can also make your own cartoon strip. Make up your own characters and your own jokes. And you can use stick figures for actions and smileys to show the feelings of your characters.